किसी भी बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हिस्सा बनने से पहले उसके बारे में जानना बहुत जरूरी है। तो चलिए हम जानते हैं कि जीतो क्या है। जैन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जैन इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, बिजनेसमैन और नॉलेज वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स का एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो नैतिक व्यवसायिक प्रथाओं की अपनी महिमा को दर्शाता है। जैन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जिसके पुणे चैप्टर की रचना हुई सन 2009 में, और तब से लेके अब तक पुणे जीतो हर सामाजिक, शैक्षणिक, व्यावच एवं व्यवसायिक कार्यों में सभी तरह से जीत हासिल करता आ रहा है। आइए जानते हैं जीतो के कुछ फ्लैगशिप प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में जिनकी सफलता आसमान को छू गई है। जीतो कनेक्ट, नेशनल यूथ कॉन्क्लेव, कोविड सेंटर, जीतो नगर, जीतो बिजनेस बे, फेट एंड फिएस्टा, जीतो इनोविजन, जीतो प्रीमियर लीग। जीतो यूथ विंग पुणे चैप्टर को सफलता से आगे बढ़ाने में गौरव नहार चेयरमैन, प्रीतेश मुनोद चीफ सेक्रेटरी, हमारी बाकी पूरी टीम जिसमें आते हैं हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट्स, सेक्रेटरी, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी, इनवाइटी मेंबर्स, टीम ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, आ टीम ऑफ मैनेजमेंट कमिटी, आ कन्वेनर टीम और पूरी की पूरी टीम का इस सब में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। 15,000 से भी अधिकतर सदस्य जीतो का पहले से ही हिस्सा हैं, जो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में 70 अलग अलग चैप्टर्स में बसते हैं। सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में ही नहीं बल्कि 11 इंटरनेशनल चैप्टर्स जैसे कि यूके, यूएसए, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, केन्या और अधिकतर देशों तक इसकी पहुंच बढ़ती जा रही है। अब बात फायदे की, मुनाफे की, यानी कि अगर आप जीतो के सदस्य बनते हैं तो साथ ही साथ इन सब पैन इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट्स के भी हिस्सेदार बन जाते हैं। जीतो इनोवेशन लैब JIIF to create at least 200 good entrepreneurs and creating incubation and funding opportunities in business and startups at flagship events. Jeeto Sports Academy, Jeeto Olympics to create bonding and participation for all sports other than cricket and football, building sportsmen and shaping their careers by sponsorship from Apex. Youth Business Network JBN to facilitate business networking amongst youth digitally, to at least do business worth 100 crores amongst youth members. Youth Professional Forum JPF to connect young professionals from all the chapters, increase businesses, mergers of 5 crores to professionals by cross-reference for services. Jeeto Expedia to facilitate learning with practical experience and advices from top companies and top businessmen of India. Youth Exchange nationally and internationally between chapters of members, chapter industrial visit, zone industrial visit, and one international industrial visit. Jeeto Internship and Mentorship, Jeeto Jobs for connecting youth with the right mentors, patrons, FCPs for better connections between each other. Target of placing 1,000 plus youth in different cities across all sectors and providing mentorship to at least 100 plus members in Youth Wing. Jeeto National Youth Academy, JBN Excellence, which is aligned with JBN Excellence program for youth empowerment by individual development programs to transform their personality and create leaders. Learning strategic knowledge from international prestigious institutes and creating leaders with proper coaching. Jeeto Talent Academy to encourage bonding between youth members and also spreading brand of Jeeto amongst youth members of the community. We also plan to promote top 10 best talents so that they can outshine and make a remarkable career. Jeetology, aligned with Minority Project for mass connecting of youth with spiritual leaders. Association and accreditation with other big organizations for knowledge and resource sharing. Helping Jains in the times when it is needed the most and connecting all the Jain families in this project by every means mentioned above. Jeeto In, a digital platform, a sense of respect and instilling brand Jeeto in Jain youth across India, connecting 15,000 plus members through it. This will be our main strategy for membership drive. One platform to connect all the Jains across the country. Not only these projects, but also when you join Jeeto Youth Wing Pune, you will get connected to 750 plus members who are already a part of Pune chapter. And this will immensely help your business to grow. Keeping up the hashtag trend, we too have our own which says #हर घर जीतो. One of the biggest campaigns, the Har Ghar Jeeto, which aims to intimately connect, integrate and revolutionize at least one youth per Jain family. Basically, to connect each and every Jain youth personally and professionally. To share with you more, here are some of the events held by Jeeto in the past few years. National Youth Conclave, which is also called as NYC. Industrial visits to actually show you the groundwork done by the manufacturing and other industries. Workshops and seminars which are based on different topics to help you become and evolve to a better human. Fete and fiesta, entertainment, dance, acting, treasure hunt, which again adds a lot to your personality. Jeeto business meets across the country to help you understand how it actually works at larger scales and levels. Badminton League to improve your reflex level and to make you more active. Tendering workshop, Epic, Love Meal and the digital marketing workshop. Together we can ensure that our young Jain generation comes together, empowers each other and takes the community to higher levels of growth, progress and success. तो चलिए आज ही बढ़ाते हैं कदम जीत की ओर और जुड़ते हैं जीतो से. और जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9670601008.